All right, so I came around the corner because I knew something was going to be happening tonight. I thought it was going to be something different. You can see the red carpet's going down. They're laying it down right now. It's already started coming down the street down here. And now it goes up along here, and we'll be going up inside. So this is the view. Looking up the carpet that way. And I'm just going to keep doing more stuff here. That's all I can do as we get closer and closer and closer. Because starting tonight, things get more and more faster, faster. That's all I can say. So yeah. Well, I've ever heard the phrase rolling out the red carpet. Well, that's what they're doing. It's as simple as that. You just something you don't get to see all the time. The damn thing doesn't roll itself out, for God's sake. So there's that. So it's just cool. It's cool to watch this. All right, so what I did was I came around to the other side here. Because I don't know, if you act touristy, I found, it's almost like it's not you can get away with more. You're less of a, what's the word? Not danger, but, whatever. Like I just walked past her. I don't want to seem a little weird, but this is still open to the public and will be. Once the red carpet's all the way down and covered in plastic, oh yeah, it'll still be open, to the public. Because they want people to be able to enjoy this. Enjoy that. So it's going in tonight. And I just wanted to share that with you. So anyway, so these are the steps. There's 37 steps. If I never said that before, there's 37 of them. There's 22 and 15. Oh, there's pieces of red carpet. And now we are literally walking along. Well, it goes along here. So hold on a second. I'm trying to get some stuff here. Thank you. Here's what the problem is that I'm doing right now, and I'm sorry to just say this to you, but I'm photographing and videotaping at the same time, and I only have two hands. So it's kind of a problem. But that's what they're doing. They're laying it down right now. So the whole thing be laid down here. Then we'll be covered with plastic, all this really thick stuff. And this is what people are going to for the next day or so. And it's like I said, they're going to lay it down. They're going to be covered with plastic. Then you'll be able to walk on it. That's really one of the cool parts, because they'll set it up and people actually can walk on it. Under the plastic, it's going to be underneath it, and it's just really, really neat. So that's all. I just wanted to share this with you. You know how I am.